we have the area of a triangle by the expression, that is area of a triangle is equal to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the area of a triangle with the vertices, this one. So this can be written in the form of a determinant, that is delta is equal to, that is area of a triangle is equal to, so this is triangle, so delta is equal to half determinant of x1, x2, x3, then y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1.